A very good morning, all my dear students. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so today we will complete chapter 3, working with tables. Okay, in previous class we have completed fill in the blanks and true and false, and today we will complete remaining portion of the exercise. That is, we will complete MCQs and question answers. Okay, so some answers I will tell you, some you will try to find yourself. Okay. So first MCQ is the intersection of a column and row is called. So if you all remember, I explained you while explaining table, I explain you that wherever a row and column intersect, they forms a cell. So the right answer is cell here. Next question is table group is present in the tab. So on which tab the table the tables group is present? It is present on the insert tab. Okay. Third one is which combination deletes the selected rows and columns from a table. If you have selected number of rows and columns and you want to delete them in one go, so for that you can press shift plus del key. Okay, 3 answers I have told you, and remaining 2 you will try to find yourself. Okay, read the chapter carefully and find the answers of these 2. Okay, next let's come to the question answer part. So the first question is explain the term table. What is a table? So a table is a collection of rows and columns. It is an organized arrangement of text, okay, in the form of rows and columns. In a table we can store records. Okay. Next question is state difference between these two. First, table move handle and table resize handle. So the difference between the table move handle and table resize handle is that this move handle is used to change the position of the table in a document, and resize handle is used to increase or decrease the size of the table. Okay, move handle it is used to change the position of the table, the place of the table, and table resize handle is used to change the size of the table. Second is the difference between split cell and merge cell. So split cell option is used to divide a column into 2 or more columns, while merge cell is just opposite of it. It is used to merge 2 or more cell. Okay, means merge cell is used to combine multiple cells. We can combine 2 or more cells to form a single cell, and we can split cell into 2 or 3 parts. It called splitting. Okay. Third question is how will you calculate the sum in a table? That was the last topic in the table. So for calculating the sum, what we need to do? First of all, you will fill the data and then you will click on the layout tab. Okay, so here you need to write the steps. For calculating sum in a table, first you will click on the layout tab, then we will choose formula button in data group, and then we will use the sum formula. Okay, and last we will click on OK. So when you will click on OK, so it will show you the sum of all the cells. Okay, means where you have inserted numerical values. Okay. Fourth question is what do you understand by the term formatting? What is the meaning of formatting? See, formatting, either you are making table or you are making any document, formatting is all about the looks and appearance of your document or table or whatever you have created. So the formatting refers to the changes in the appearance of a table. If you are changing its style, if you are changing its design, if you are changing its color, borders, whatever you are changing in a table which is affecting its looks and appearance, so it is called formatting. Briefly explain the quick way by which you can change a column width. So the easiest way to change the column width is using the resize handle. Okay, by clicking at the corner of the table, you can easily change the size of a column. Okay, so it's all about the question answers. Okay, complete this in your book. Exercise you can complete in your book, but question answers may be little lengthy. So for writing question answers, you need a notebook. Complete question answers in your notebook. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.